Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, females gone missing after going in search of hotel jobs in St. James. That is the headline for this story. We just came from Jamaica, and one thing I can tell you for sure is that people are always hustling. People are always looking for job opportunities. They're not just sitting around wallowing in self-pity or wallowing in poverty. They're looking for jobs actively. They're hustling on the road every day to make ends meet. And that's one thing I can say about Jamaican. Okay, they can take a little bit, make enough. Okay, the news article says a search have been launched for two females who reportedly left their homes in two separate parishes between last Saturday and Monday to seek jobs at hotels in St. James, but have not been heard from since. Police investigators have joined. So they're saying ever since she went to go seek a job in St. James, she have not been seen or heard from since. Police investigators have joined loved ones in their search for at least one of the missing women. She is Tiffany Murray of Palmalito Grove near Highgate in St. Mary. The 27-year-old has been missing since Saturday, March 16th, after leaving home for an interview at a hotel in Montego Bay, which was later proven to be non-existent. According to the police, Murray is of brown complexion, slim built, and is about 165 centimeters, 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Port Maria police are that Murray left home at about 9:30 a.m. for Montego Bay, St. James for a job interview. When last seen, she was dressed in a black blouse, floral pants, and a pair of black shoes. All efforts to contact her then have been unsuccessful. One of Murray's sisters revealed through a post on social media that her sister had received information about an employment opportunity at the Moonlight Hotel in Montego Bay. However, the sister contacted Murray, who told her that she found out that the hotel was non-existent. She has not been heard from since then, and calls for her two cell phones have gone unanswered. Lawmen on Thursday night, through an official release, appealed to anyone knowing the whereabouts of Tiffany Murray to contact the Port Maria police at 876-994-2223, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Meanwhile, several posts on social media have revealed that another female have allegedly gone missing after she journeyed to St. James from Manchester on Monday, March 8th. She has been identified as 23-year-old Felicia Thailand of Grove Place, Mandeville. Thailandale was last seen wearing a black camisole, black jacket, and black jeans. Reports on social media from friends of Thailandale are that she left home on Monday to meet a man in Montego Bay who reportedly assured her that he could get her employment at a popular hotel. He reportedly called home the same day informing a relative that she had arrived safely, but she have not been seen or heard from since then. Relatives and friends are urging persons who have information on the whereabouts Thailandale to contact the nearest police station or 119. An official release from the police about the disappearance of Felicia Thailandale was not been released up to the time of this publication. So there are people fraudulently trying to tell these women that they are getting employment at some big hotel in Montego Bay, and this has to cause some concern because no one knows where these women are. The type of things that can happen to them are endless. They can be sent into human trafficking, prostitution. They can be sent to different countries in the Caribbean. They can be killed, raped, and people are doing this knowing that these women are looking for jobs not only to take care of themselves but to take care of their family, and it's very disheartening and disgraceful and disgusting. Okay, Jamaican people, I know we have a lot of crime and violence and we have a lot of stuff that's going on, but our country is also very beautiful, and our people are always trying to better themselves and look for jobs. That's one thing I can say from going back and forth to Jamaica in the last few months multiple times. They're always trying to better themselves and get jobs, and this is a way that they're going to use to lure women into whatever they're luring them into, whether it's prostitution, human trafficking, just raping them and killing them. God knows. But I hope they find them, and I hope they police actually go through like their social media pages and figure out what is going on and who is exactly luring them into Montego Bay for these job opportunities that are non-existent. I hope they're fine safely, but I doubt it. When women goes missing in Jamaica, most of the time they are found dead or they're not found at all. But keep hope alive, be optimistic, and hope and pray that they return to their family safely. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.